we greet una, welcome una to Real News Channel. Una know say na ogbonge updates na we dey come sama una for this our channel. Abeg, if na the first time una dey waka jam this our channel, make una follow us, make una like our page, and make una help us dey share our videos so that those wey never see am go see am. Una do well. Oya na make we quickly enter the matter wey we carry come for una. DSS don take over EFCC office for Ikoyi for inside Lagos so. My people, no be small thing o. DSS and EFCC don begin give themselves gbas no be small. This one serious, no be small, my people. To the extent DSS begin fire for air like say another thing dey happen. This their matter don get as e be o. People wey Nigerians dey look up to for security and protection na dey behave like this so. Make una watch the moment DSS begin fire anyhow for EFCC their premises so for Lagos so to scare away media people to take update on wetin dey happen there. Make una watch this video and see. Now wow, my people, which kind drama be this? Wetin dey happen between all this our security personnel for inside Naija? Wetin dey happen? If I thought say they get any issue, na this they go take solve am. Now wow, my people, how una visit this whole matter? How una see am? Make una drop una comment for the comment section, and make una no forget to like and share. Una do well. See you all in our next video. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all